All right, Jerry. Are you ready for this question?
No. You always come up with
This
these
is
left
an easy
field.
one.
Left
This is
field.
an easy one. This is an easy one. Okay, so I had a call from a new driver last week. Oh, but first, subscribe to the channel, click the like button, share the video with your friends, call the auto shop to schedule your appointment for your vehicles.
And more importantly, bring us your cars.
Okay, so new drivers, they don't really know a lot about their cars, and so this is the question. Do I really have to change the oil on my car? That's the question.
That's a serious question?
That was a serious question. It's a new driver. They have a slightly older car, and they're not sure. They don't teach shop in high school anymore.
Okay, let's just... Yes, you must change the oil in your car. Yes. There's
Why?
lots of reasons.
Why?
I knew you were going to ask
Yeah,
that.
I know.
You just...
Inquiring minds want to know, and I have an inquiring mind, so
That's one word.
there we
Okay,
go.
so here's an example. This is brand new engine oil. I'm going to hold it up to the camera so you can see. I'm going to shake it and look at what you see on the glass.
It's nice and clear.
It's nice and clear.
And
Okay,
it's kind of this kind of amber color.
looks like a nice honey,
or maple syrup.
clover honey, I think.
Maple syrup.
This engine oil has 500 miles on it.
500 miles.
500. Look at what's happened to the glass
Yeah,
already.
It's getting thicker.
It's getting
and
thicker.
darker.
And
little
it's
more
got
viscous.
it looks like
But it's still
burnt
kind
honey
of
maybe.
Yeah, burnt honey, I guess. Okay, or darker maple syrup.
Shake this one. This engine oil has 3,000 miles on
Oh,
it.
geez.
Shake it.
Oh, goodness.
Yeah, shake
wow.
it. Make it count. There you go.
Golly,
Look at that.
wow. That's
the
really
difference?
dark. That's
Yeah.
really thick.
So this is unburned fuel. This is burned fuel. This is carbon. These are the material that floats around in your engine that gets cast off.
Are there metallic pieces in here too?
There can be.
Okay.
Depends on how long it's been. So now that engine oil, by the way, that engine oil had 3,000 miles on it.
Okay.
This engine oil has 6,000 miles on it. And I want you to shake that really good.
Well, I don't know. Maybe I'll just go like this.
Yeah, there you go.
Oh my God, that's black.
Okay, now here's the deal. You saw how the engine oil viscosity, the thickness of it, became more congealed.
Yeah.
In today's high-performance engines, so no matter what you're driving in today's cars, it's really a high-performance engine compared to when engine oil was all changed at every 3,000 miles. Today, you can go, I will say, 5,000 to 6,000 miles maximum, because see this? Look at how thick it still is coming down the jar. Now this is crazy, right? Some manufacturers will tell you can go 15 or 20,000 miles on an oil change. With today's tight engines and the small clearances we have, the clearances have been cut by as much as 60% inside the engine. So it's really critical.
What do you mean by clearances?
Well, like the space between the rod bearings and the crankshaft. The main bearings and the crankshaft.
Okay.
The cam bearings and the camshaft.
So our engine's a little smaller now too?
Oh no, my God, they're a lot smaller.
Oh, okay.
They're a lot smaller. Like in my day, we had 500 500 cubic inches, right? And today the average is.
You mean there were cars back in your day? No, just kidding.
Yes, we just got through inventing the wheel. That's how I got involved in cars. Knucklehead.
I couldn't help it. Forgive
I lobbed
me.
her a softball and she knocked it out of the park.
Boom!
Okay, so back in the 60s and 70s, right, engines would have 3/1000ths clearance of an inch between the camshaft or the crankshaft and the rod and main bearings. Today, it's as low as 1/1000th of an inch or 1.5 thousandths of an inch. I mean, we're talking, this is tiny
Like,
stuff.
yeah.
And if you have this kind of oil You're not going to
Oh,
make
that's
it.
not going to get through.
It
It's too
can't.
viscous.
It's too thick.
Okay.
It's got too much debris. The debris gets left behind, and it starts destroying your engine. So not only are the engines smaller, they're incredibly smaller. They're working harder, and they're producing more horsepower and more torque at higher temperatures. So having good, clean engine oil inside your car is really, I mean, it's mission critical. Okay, so don't let anybody tell you that you don't need to change your oil. This is a big deal. We replace so many engines every month because people don't change their engine oil or they don't service their cooling system, and we'll get to that in a different video.
Yeah.
But
so
engines today, first of all, you can't buy new cars; they're not available, and used car parts are becoming harder and harder to find.
So bottom line is, yes, you must change the oil in your car.
Absolutely.
And by doing so, you will prevent having thousands and thousands of dollars of auto repair bills to change an engine. So pay a little now so you don't have to pay a lot later. Call to schedule an appointment, 972-578-0588 at the Auto Shop.
Or go online at www.theautoshop.com. Send us your cars, click the like button, subscribe. We'll see you next time. Bye, everybody.
Bye.